Hey there, ladies and gents. Welcome to another vlog. I hope everybody's doing well. Unfortunately, I'm stuck behind a car on this beautiful Route 6. So, it's not going to be as car-velicious as I want it to be. So I actually might pull over and start again. This road is just too pretty to waste on. Is it a little pull off? I can't tell. Might be. Look at this parking area, quarter mile. Let's see what's going on at this parking area. I kind of did want to pull over and perhaps see what's going on. It's not too many people, of course. Just because I want to have a little bit of solitude, but nope. Parking area and jamming. There might be another parking area, but meanwhile, got a good Rossi turn. And that was that. And that was that. People here drive terribly, super slow. But there are some good hikes here, so I think I'm gonna find a good hike and, you know, pull over, because there's clearly no fast joy to find on this road. Look at this. People are just scared of this road. I don't know why they take it. I think a lot of people take this road to just as like a road and not as like anything scenic, so they don't appreciate the view. I do. But I think over here there's going to be another little pull off where I could stop, because I could stop at any shoulder, but it's a little bit too much. It's a shame, because this is a real Rossi corner. Real Rossi corner. It's that fucking minivan. This fucking minivan. One person in a Honda Odyssey. What a shit bucket. I think there's a pull off right over here. Please? No. This would have been a nice one. Because I'm just disappointed, because this was an amazing section. But I should have known that this section is only proper at like 6 in the morning. Otherwise you got silly little nerds like minivan ruining it for everybody. Look at him. If I was, I would have passed him, but I'm also on the bike, so it's a little bit different. Worst vlog ever. This vlog was going to be about showing you a beautiful road, and instead it showed me you that I'm cranky. It just shows you that I'm cranky. These folks here smell like cheese butter. Look at this fucking prick holding up everybody, the whole fucking line. Holy shit, that minivan is the worst. I really want to look at those people. I really want to ride by those people and like rip off their mirror or something. That would really make me happy. That would really make me happy. Horrible, terrible people. Alright, well, that was not a vlog. That was a weird video. Not even sure what to tell you. So I'll just perhaps talk to you later. Because, yeah. Later, bye.